Ayan nila guys, classic naman tayo ba nag-antay tayo kasama. Wala na tayong hero. Unlock tayo. Ilan lang yung mga nagagamit natin. Unlock hero tayo guys. Mas bagay gamitin.
You are in the clash lane.
Clash lane daw. Sino ba maganda gamitin clash lane? Hindi pa natin nagagamit. Testing natin. Ang malakasin na clash lane. Alak pa tayo sa mga idol. Testing tayo guys. Hindi ko alam build dito pero try natin. Pro build tayo. Yan. Bira kasi tayong classic game ng iba-ibang hero. Ngayon try natin kung bisa. Habang inaantay natin yung pwede natin maantay sa rank game. Room yata to eh. Hindi ko alam kung room siya or fighter. Pero try natin, malay mo, di ba?
Enemy strikes.
Tara. Tap
All
tayo.
forces, pass on, fight and conquer.
Tap tayo guys.
Humiliation is harder to bear than failure. Tara sa tuwa na lang!
Yan pala yung first skill niya. Passive moves niya.
First blood.
So medyo nako.
So you make an entrance.
Wise people know their distance from
So, medyo mahirap siya gamitin na. Mahirap niya gamitin sa totoo lang.
an army!
Mahirap niya gamitin. Kaya kalabak tayo. Hindi natin gamay.
An army!
Gamisin niya. Okay na tayo guys. Medyo mahirap siya gamitin ha. Kaya syempre, try natin kung effective siya.
Walking all the way.
Alam niyo naman.
I played raw!
Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Show me what you can do! Humiliation is harder to bear.
Aray, double kill pa yata. Double kill nga guys.
My bad.
Sa ganun ka best yung damage niya.
Wise people know they should keep their distance from my blade.
Ayan guys.
Show me what you can do! Always fight to the best of your ability.
Enemy killing spree. Denied.
Nakapatay tayo guys.
I played raw!
Grabe pala ito pag naka-ulti.
An ally has fallen.
Pinindol nga lang kanina eh.
No matter what road you have chosen, you must walk it
fallen.
An army!
Ano daw?
Show me what you can do. Always fight.
Ganda rin mo.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been unleashed.
Parang
Tower
ano dyan.
shields breached. Unleash the catapults. An ally has fallen.
Once you have chosen your path,
An enemy has fallen. Double kill.
Oy, KS. KS ang tawag
Ally
yun,
has
guys.
fallen.
Ay, puto yan. Pakakita tayo. Ay, guys. Ayun na tayo. Excuse me.
Ally has fallen.
Boplax. Tara guys. Mga bayo tayo.
no matter what road you have chosen,
Tony Bling.
walk it all the way.
Kaya ba yan? Hindi makunot ata yan eh. Nagpa-farm si ano. Nakasan tama.
Wise
Your turret is down. Defend.
an army! I say roar! An army!
You have fallen.
Di ba?
By your hands they fall.
Alam mo, pitas ka din, loko. Kung mapitas mo ako, mapipitas din kita. So, surrender kasama natin guys.
An enemy has fallen.
Meron sila mukhang nag-unlock na din sila ng hero po siya. Hindi pwede yan. Sulitin natin yung game. Lalo ka na.
Your turret is down. Defend.
Tara. Tayo mang gulo. Ang barubal. Lagay mo. Barubalin ba tayo dyan? Yatang tayo yan. Tatlo yan eh.
Their distance from my blade.
Your turret is down. Defend.
Ano makunat yun eh.
I...
Your turret is down. Protect the high ground. An ally has fallen.
Hoy, tumulong pang po. Tsaka sayang ka dun. So maglalak na tayo. Lock natin yung
An
chicha.
enemy has
Hanapin natin
fallen.
si chicha. Chicha lang tayo. Target natin si chicha.
Ally has fallen.
Masakit na siya.
Protect the high ground.
Wala si chicha. Tara tap tayo. Nakapat si chicha. Ito tutulungan
Your
ng
turret
mga
is down.
kanto eh.
Defend.
Okay.
I say roar!
Your turret is down. Defend.
Oh, tutok na
Fallen.
nabol.
Wait to respawn.
202.
Enemy killing spree.
Nangantaw yung
High
kasama.
ground.
Kantaw at nangangantaw ang kasama. Ayos mo naman nangantaw.
Always fight the best of your ability.
Protect the high ground. Your turret is down. Defend. Your turret is down. Defend.
An army!
Enemy killing spree.
Ay tayo dun guys.
Fallen. Enemy
Ito na yan.
rampage.
Rampage na. Sino ba yan? Athena? Pinama tayo ni Athena.
An enemy has fallen. Our crystal is in danger. Defend.
No matter what road you have chosen,
Ang guys, binuhay lang tayo guys. Pero wala din. Talo tayo. Buti
Defeat.
classic game lang guys.
Battle is lost.
Minama tayo ni Athena. Bawi na lang tayo. Next ano. MVP. Kalaban. Hintayin tayo guys kung meron na. Wala pa. Claim muna tayo rewards guys no. Bago tayo mag isang classic pa ulit. Ano ba to? Para sa ito mga to. Tagal-tagal na akong di nagkiklaim ah. Pero lang ako laro ah. Nabili tayo hero guys. 14k na. Try natin bumili niya. Ambrosa. Parang gusto ko bilhin si Ambrosa. Medyo masakit kasi siya bilhin. Coconut. Nakuha natin lahat ng hero eh. Oh yan, unlock na lang. Unlock na lang yung iba guys. Try natin mag-unlock. Uy. Hero na naman yata ito skin. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Palagay nyo guys, ano to? Patingin natin. Ano pa, pinapatagal pa ba yan? Wala pala, kala ko skin. Nascam tayo doon guys. Nascam tayo doon. Tara. Classic pa tayo, classic. Isang classic match pa. Ano pa tayong isang classic match? Magtingin tayo, pwede unlock.
You're in the mid lane.
Yun, mid lane. Try tayo mid lane guys, ibang hero. Gusto ko mag-try Flowborn eh, no? Haya. Use trial card. Gauchan. Daichan. Ito kayang Daichan. Testing natin. Kalaban ko itong karaan. Sakit eh. Paano ba yung combo niya?
Diao-chan is a mage with powerful continuous damage output. Her basic 2-1 ultimate 2-1 combo
2-1-3.
deals considerable damage over time during
2-1-3.
team fights. She places marks with every skill hit. At max stacks, the marks deal damage and restore health. Her skill 1 fires a spinning orb in the target direction, dealing damage. Her skill 2 is a forward dash that makes her untargetable, while firing
2-1-3.
orbs that reduce cooldown when they hit.
2-1-3-2-1. 2-1-3-2-1 yan. 2-1-3. 2-1. Testing natin guys. Itong mabisa yung Daochan. Daochan babasa dyan guys. Daochan. Ano pa ba? Tara guys, Dochan tayo, let's go.
May
5
honor be
seconds
with
till the
you.
enemy strikes.
Fight to
Uy,
win, and
bumat
the
ka agad
world
ah.
will be yours.
Hindi sila.
Fight and conquer. This match will be one small step towards my victory. You might have heard of me from the gossip. Your heart is on fire. Heed my call.
Parang sa boomerang ah.
Fire spirit. Hup. Yeah. Hup.
Saan pupunta?
Heed my call.
First blood.
Ano guys?
So you make an entrance.
Yun na yun guys. Yun yung Dochan
Love
guys.
fades,
So bumato na
but
to ng
magic
second.
lasts forever.
Bumato ka na eh. Napuyan ka ngayon. Hindi mo alam.
Fire spirit.
Akala mo ah. Mo minamama guys. May bitaw to guys. Ay joke lang, di ka na mabiro.
Heed my call.
Di ka na mabiro. Tara. Kaya mo?
Fools will
Heal
say
mo ko.
otherwise, but summoning is full of possibilities.
Message na ako. Dalaw tayo dun sa baba. Nang bully tayo dun. Putang ina, napitas yung tropa.
Fire within will light the way
Napitas yung
into the
tropa.
unknown.
Hindi yata natin madadali to. Napitas yung tropa.
Your heart is on fire.
By your hands they fall. An ally has fallen.
Yun lang. Pitas tayo guys.
Enemy double kill.
Pagka ano pala natin dapat dun 2-1 SS tapos 2-1 ulit, no? Nagkamali tayo dun, nag-1 tayo kagad eh.
Beautiful silhouettes are remembered.
Pero okay lang yan, nakapitas tayong dalawa. Bagay tayo sa clash mamaya. Ayun o, team fight to. Abos kayo dyan, Lagunos. Wala silang gagawin dyan, back lang yan eh.
Love
Back
fades, but
sila
magic
yan sagad.
lasts forever.
Yung aso oh. Ang gagawin yung aso dyan eh. Papatay ni Miyu eh.
Only
Miyu.
the most beautiful silhouettes are remembered. Fire spirit.
Takas guys. So tara guys. Dito. Dito sila guys.
Enemy
From the
rampage.
gossip.
Palo tong ano ah.
An ally has fallen. By your
Yun.
hands they fall.
Hindi ka na mabiro. Aray. Wag.
The fire within.
Ligtas tayo guys. Yun, ligtas tayo.
Unleashed. Tower shields breached. Unleash
Enemy in
the
our jungle.
catacombs.
Help me
Push
get rid of them.
successful. Enemy turret down.
Ligtas tayo guys.
Fools will say otherwise, but summoning.
Your turret is
Ligtas na
down.
siya.
Defend.
Nako. Agoy.
Deny. An ally has fallen. By your hands they fall.
Summoning. Fire spirit.
Fire spirit pala ito eh. Tara guys.
It's a senior member's job to take care of the club's problems.
Pababain pa natin unti.
Your seal has been removed.
Killing spree.
Yun. Pitas na siya guys. Kita nyo yun guys. Nabuhuli siya. Yun nga lang push yung mid
From the
natin.
gossip,
Kaya. Kaya yata. Bumalik po. Tara, yung aso.
Your turret is down.
Ibaboy natin yan.
Defend.
within will light the way to the unknown.
Rampage.
Don't ever look down on summoning.
Ito mo yun guys. Rumarampage na.
Love fades, but magic
Okay
lasts
guys.
forever.
Kaya to sa 10 seconds ako. 9, 8, ay hindi. Ayun na yun, may kasama tayo.
Hey, an enemy has fallen. An enemy has fallen. Push successful. Enemy turret down. An ally has fallen. Enemy double kill.
Oops.
Okay guys.
Fools will say
Alright,
otherwise, but summoning
An ally has fallen.
Tapos ka dyan. Wala na dyan yun. Bugok. Ano yun, ano.
it's a senior member's job to take care of the club's problems. Yeah. Only the most beautiful silhouettes are remembered. Thank you.
An enemy
Skill
has
not
fallen.
ready.
Ano kaya?
Fools will say
Ayan na.
otherwise, but summoning is full of possibilities.
An enemy has fallen.
Kaya umabot guys.
Your heart is on fire. Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Kaya.
It's a senior member's
Your
job.
turret
to
is
take care of
down.
the club's
Defend.
problems.
Enemy killing spree. Enemy double kill.
Ay!
Denied.
Ang gala yan. Andun pala yung healer nila tsaka yung ano. Pumasok ako, hindi ko napansin. Late
An
comers.
enemy has fallen.
The fire within will light the way
Tara,
to
tara,
the
tara.
unknown.
Kaya naman ko eh.
An ally has fallen. An enemy has fallen.
Kaya naman yun.
Only the most beautiful silhouettes are remembered. Your heart is on
Denied.
fire. Huh? Huh? Yeah.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
So guys, ayun na tayo guys.
You might have heard of me from the gossip.
An ally has fallen.
love fades, but magic.
Overlord and Tyrant powered up. Cannons unleashed. By your hands they fall.
Your heart is on fire.
An enemy has fallen. An enemy has fallen.
The fire within will light the way to the unknown.
Push successful. Enemy turret down. Killing spree.
It's a senior member's job to take care of the club's problems.
Push successful. Enemy turret down. By your hands they fall.
Guys.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Yung doubt siya natin na guys.
Smooth kill.
Ano kayo siya?
Double kill.
Ayun natin to guys.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Appreciate it. Summoning all its possibilities.
Killing spree. Godlike.
Bobo.
Total annihilation.
Ito mo yun guys. Dao-chan. Nice game.
Victory. The battlefield is yours.
Grabe naman yun. Paluin Dao-chan natin guys. Eh, putik MVP. Galing ang MVP pa rin. Ano natin na magandang like yan. MVP. Yun. So yun lang guys. Tapos na naman tayo ngayong araw. Sana matuwa kayo sa ating content for today. Minama tayo nun. Sakit pala nun Dao-chan. Sayang yun. Pagpapraktisan natin yun. So yun lang. Let's go.